Hey guys, this is Cheryl and
Makana.
Makana's gonna cook up some potatoes for us tonight for our dinner. We're gonna eat steak and potatoes. So Makana's gonna first of all, Makana cut the potatoes, the bigger ones, in half. This is our harvest from yesterday. And look at how nice they look on the inside. Look at the purple one, how beautiful it is. So Kana, go ahead and put some olive oil. Go ahead. I'll tell you when to stop. Okay. And then we put some of this sea salt. He's gonna shake some in. That's good. And then some pepper. Okay. A little bit of some garlic powder. Okay, perfect. Now go ahead and mix it in. Makana's gonna coat all the beautiful fresh potatoes that we just harvested yesterday. Get in there, make sure all of the potatoes are coated. Get the underneath and bring it up. Yep, perfect. Looks good to me. What do you think?
It's good.
Okay, now he's gonna pour it in the pan.
I would rather just get the
And we're gonna go ahead and cook this at 350 for, let's see, say half an hour to 45 minutes covered. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. Take care.
Bye.